Let me show you best tips and tricks for camera I found on Realme GT 7 Pro. So first of all, we need to open our camera. Then we can click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Now there's a few things that are quite interesting here. We have a photo section, and then we can change what we should do with the shutter button when we hold it. We can either start recording video for any mode or take a burst photos. I like the burst photos, as when you click and hold your shutter button, it will take like 50 photos in a span of 5 seconds. That's pretty cool. When we move back to the settings, we can change the shooting methods as well. We can tap to capture, which means when you tap anywhere on the screen, it will take a photo, or show a palm to our camera to also capture a photo. But with the gloves, the show palm doesn't work, so I'm sorry for that. I won't show you how to practically use it, but you can try it if you like. This phone also supports a lot of stuff for underwater photography, so if you plan on doing some underwater photography, you can use this phone for it as well. And here those settings allows you to change how you can capture them with physical buttons or touch screen and physical buttons. There's lens focal length that you can adjust, which is also pretty nice. Let me remove that icon, as it's very annoying. And for some of them, you can also change the default wide angle for focal length. Next, let's move to the video. You can change the audio mode, and what it does is, when it's set to standard, it will just use just like a normal camera, record a sound that it hears. But if you go for a smart one, then it will record audio based on the distance from the camera. And this is very interesting if you like to make videos. We have a focus lock as well. You can tap on a person that you're recording, and it will try to focus on that person during that video. And next, let's go for handy features. We have volume button action that we can change, and you can adjust the volume of your phone normally with the shutter with the volume button, or take a photo with volume button as well. And we can also use a zoom feature. Let's go with the zoom. And there's also quick launch, which allows you to press volume down button or volume up button twice to turn on camera instantly, even when your phone is locked. So let's go to the settings and activate that. Okay. And now we can go back and test out all of the features, except the video, as I don't have anyone that could focus on that video. But nonetheless, let's lock our phone and then double press on the volume button, which potentially should okay, so it doesn't work. Great. Let's see if I enabled that. Quick launch. I didn't. That was my fault. So if we double press, as you can see, it instantly opens our camera. And then let's go throughout those settings right here for the basic photo mode. There's the AI snap mode, which allows you to make less blurry videos if you move camera around, or the object that you're trying to photograph also moves a lot. So this is kind of great if you're trying to take photos of animals or something like that, and they keep running around. Then there's the live photo, which makes photos more vibrant, and all of the colors as well. And it's mostly visible when, oh yeah, you can see it actually. But try to move the angle of the camera when you do. Next is evaluation. You can change the brightness of your photos, but that is kind of basic thing, so let's just skip through it. And we can move to video. Then this phone does support 8K resolution, which is amazing. You can make 8K videos, but only at 24 FPS. So be sure of that when you record those videos, and they will take a lot of storage to actually stay there. So we can record that video. It's really nice. Also in the photo mode, we can go back and activate HDR with auto settings, which will also make all of the colors look much more pretty. on the outcome when you take a photo. And you can also go to more and then find all of the different modes that are included for your camera and try some of the modes and see if you like them. And that is everything that I found, which is pretty cool for that camera on Realme GT 7 Pro.